Want to master simplifying algebraic expressions using the laws of indices? Here is a quick tutorial showing how to get it done. Rewrite the square root to fractional power half. This is an important application of the rule of indices. Rewrite the variables a⁶ and b⁶ using another rule of indices. The expression becomes a multiply b, all expressed to power 6 and also expressed to power half. Multiply the exponents, such that 6 multiplied by half gives 3. This is one of the laws of indices for simplifying powers and fractions. Apply the power 3 to each variable inside the bracket. Open the brackets and multiply the exponents for complete simplification. Now we have our result. Let's simplify another algebraic expression using the laws of indices. Watch till the end to see the math tips, tricks, and problem-solving strategies. How can the laws of indices apply to a variable with an exponent equal to 0? Simply open the brackets and express each variable to power 0. Multiply the exponents for complete simplification. Now we have our result. Now, you have learned how to multiply fraction exponents and simplify complex algebraic expressions. Let's learn how to manipulate a logarithmic expression while employing some laws of indices. Consider a rule of logarithms that can be used to replace 1. This rule requires paying very close attention to the base of the logarithmic form. To achieve the objective of the question, it is important to express number 1 in a logarithmic form that includes base 10. Replace number 1 in the original question with the derived logarithmic form. This will give a new expression. Focusing on the second term in the expression, move number 2 from the position of coefficient to the position of exponent in the second logarithmic form. Notice that the overall expression shows base 10 appearing in both logarithmic terms. Apply the laws of logarithms, which allows logarithmic forms to be combined when they have the same base. Pay attention to the math operator. When the logarithmic terms are combined, the math operator changes from addition to multiplication. This results to a new expression and the final simplified logarithmic form, which is logarithms 90 expressed to base 10. Let's learn how to simplify a logarithmic algebra expression involving logarithmic terms with various bases. The 3 different spaces introduce additional complexity to the problem. Consider splitting each logarithmic term in the overall fractional form. Split the base and number while ensuring that the new logarithmic fraction forms are expressed consistently to base 10. Any logarithmic form that does not include a base will be attributed to the default base 10. Express the numbers 4, 8 and 25 to have a prime number base, such as 2 and 5. Assign the exponents to achieve equivalent index forms. These rules of indices have been explained in previous indices, logarithms and exponents videos, and the links are provided in the description. For each logarithmic fraction, consider moving the numbers in the position of exponent to the position of coefficient. This is an important rule of logarithms. Perform some basic arithmetic operations by simplifying out the similar terms in the logarithmic fractions. Watch till the end to see the math tips, tricks, and problem-solving strategies. This results to a new expression and the final simplified logarithmic form, which is 3 multiplied by logarithms 3 divided by 4 logarithms 2. Subscribe for more math tutorials. Stay ahead in algebra, fractions, exponents, and other math topics.